YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yo, before I start this vid, what's the intro without wavy magic?
Turn up the bass.
Let's try that again.
Turn up the bass.
All right. Yeah, it's close enough. I'm not gonna do wavy magic for this. There we go. Got that Uncle Nearest 1856 premium whiskey. Yes, I'm reading off the label. 100 proof, 50% alcohol. Ooh, the alcohol content. But anyway, man, yo, shout out to Kenny Burns and the Drink Champs for enlightening me about this. You know, this is some Tennessee whiskey. It supposedly is made by a former slave. And I wanted to get on some jigger shit and be like, yo, what I look like copping Jack Daniels when I can get Uncle Nearest?
Tell me, somebody.
Shout out to Kenny Burns and Drink Champs for putting me on to some of this good old whiskey, good old sipping whiskey, you know what I'm saying? And I will be cracking this open without a doubt. The reason for this toast right here, I'm coming up on, I think I'm on 12,000 by the time y'all see this vid. And if I'm not on 12,000, I'm still drinking, you know what I'm saying? Word. So, oh, my bad, with my manners, hit that for me. And if you're over 21 in America, feel free to join in. This ain't gonna be no powerhouse right here, boy. I got a homeboy coming in this weekend too. Don't even look to be taking part in this one. I can smell the honey. No, I can't. All right, I don't know if that's a shot, but you know. If you are able to cop this, they also have a booklet that I did read upon. You know what I'm saying? Always know your history, or somebody else's history, I don't know. But anyway, man, yo, shout out to 12K, shout out to the Wave Mob, shout out to all y'all. Word. I can tell the age of the, nah, I just playing, I don't know. Hey, but nah, this is smooth though, brother, smooth.
Nah, man. Yo, you better slow down yourself.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna have another glass by the time the night's out, but after that, we're gonna tuck this away. All right, so the reason for this vid is, got a couple pickups that I wanted to share with y'all. First one right here, no wavy magic needed. This one came from Germany. My mother, my mother was in Germany visiting her son, which is my brother. Check this out, just a quick joint. You remember, did you see that clip 2 sneaker rotations ago when I made that girl spit up, my homegirl? It was because when I usually refer to my mother or my father's children that are half my brother, I always say my mother's son, my father, you know what I'm saying? Because anybody that really knows me or grew up with me or something, there ain't really no pictures in the house, you know what I'm saying? Like, word. So it ain't, and not to be like, oh, but it's just, I'm the only child, but you know, hey, shout out to my brother Marcus in Germany, man. Always comes through, you know, always comes through. Matter of fact, let me get my flag, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Eintracht Frankfurt, you already know, brother. You know what I'm saying? I already know what this is. This is a jersey, Eintracht Frankfurt jersey. Hell yeah. I've had it for about I think I had this before I went to the DR. I don't know, before or right when I got back, but hell yeah, boom. Eintracht Frankfurt, shout out to Marcus for putting me down with this joint. Hell yeah. Size large. Yeah, this just, oh, it's the Nike joint too. Bam. Indeeds, I damn sure need a job too. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be rocking this and being on the computer trying to get me a job.
His monkey ass ain't worked a hard day in his life.
Bam, you got the Eintracht Frankfurt logo right there. You got the Indeed.com, which I need to sign up for after I finish this video. Black Nike swoosh right there. White pinstripes. Yeah, this joint is hard right here. World Cup is this year.
Obviously.
I'm going for Germany, jawohl, and Great Britain. Come on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, to finish off with that joke, the girl spit up because when we was in the whip, I told her, I was like, yo, my brother got me a jersey. And she was like, oh, he's your brother now that, you know what I'm saying, he got you something. It's not that, you know what I'm saying? So I just came out of nowhere and just repeated it back to her while we was walking. Hey, it was my brother when I was talking about the jersey.
Yo, you stupid.
Yo, that white girl, she said she just laughing. But anyway, you'd have to be there just to see it. But anyway, man, and for all that, the real reason for this video is I believe that I got this box. What am I pointing at? Let me just grab the box. No wavy magic needed. Boom. Shout out to Effective Clothing. You already know, don't use my discount code right now. Definitely do not use my discount code right now. and I'll tell you why after this. I believe that what I got in this box are tees to go with the Last Shot 14s. Am I copping the Last Shot 14? I don't even know I got this knife. I'm ripping it open without the knife, but let's just, hell. Anyway, my bad. Anyway, am I copping the Last Shot 14s? No, I'm not copping them joints. Why?
Why what?
Because I didn't cop them when they first came out, so I ain't really see a need to cop them now.
Oh. Yeah.
If you do cop them, try to get that discount, you know what I'm saying? There shouldn't be no reason to not get a discount. But anyway, yeah, right now at Effectus Clothing, they have a 40% off sale going on. It's a Father's Day sale. Speaking of Father's Day, damn, I gotta get my pops a Father's Day. Whew, okay, probably give him something from Effectus. But anyway, so yeah, they got a 40% off sale going on right now. What I usually do, if it's a 40% off, I go to the sale section, like the shit that's already on sale, and we just start subtracting from there. You know what I'm saying? You start G'ing off with a whole bunch of $15 tees, you know what I'm saying? Like, boom, we get you a good 10 for, my math is bad. But anyway, yeah, one thing that I do want y'all to check out before I open this. I seen Foot Locker, they're releasing some kind of jersey from Jordan, his Bulls joint, for 400 bucks. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Ballin'. Now I can't do that. But check this out. This is from Effectus Clothing. This Bills joint that looks like a Bulls joint. If you go like that for nah, just playing. But it looks like a Bulls joint. You know? Look at the stitching.
Let me see. Wait. Let me see.
First tee. Oh, yo, this that joint. This that joint right here. That Rari. That Atari. Like that Spy Hunter joint. Bam. Here we go, got the Rari joint. I like this. And the thing I like about these tees is just because, well, if you got something bred, you good, but I can rock this with the foam positive, the electro lime or electric green, whatever those lemon, I can rock them with this joint right here. Word, hell yeah, really stand out. So bam, that's the first one right there, that Rari. Let's just see one more time, boom. Spy Hunter. I'm believing, let me know if it's not Spy Hunter, but I believe it's Spy Hunter. Hard ass video game. Hell yeah, man. I'm telling you, you got a kick with some yellow in it, oh, you good. You good with this. And the quality is good. Boom. Inspiration is in the air. The world is yours. That Tony Montana joint. It's gonna be an effective summer for me, boy. Next joint, oh, man, yo. I didn't even know about this one. This? Motivation? I don't know. Okay. No, I don't know. What does it say? No.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
What? Innovate.
Is he stupid?
Yo, yo, I'm rocking this joint. Yo, is this Innovate, right?
You can't read?
Innovate, hell yeah. Yo, I'm rocking this. People gonna be like, if they're as dumb as me. Nah, I'm pretty smart. But hey, yo, hell yeah, this joint, yeah. Nah, I like these. Got one more up in here. Y'all already know, boy, Kanan O-Dog, yeah? Yeah, I like this one better than the one that came out with those blue 12s. Yeah, it's cold out here. Hell yeah. There's that scene when after Kane's grandfather had him and O-Dog on the couch talking, they head off about nonsense, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, one of those clips that I like to use from the joint when he's like, oh, I highly doubt that. But yeah, this is when his grandfather asked him, he said, Kane, do you care if you live or die? And he was like, I don't know. You see how I went to that clip? That was too easy, right? Show y'all these joints one more time, and we're gonna get up out of here. Boom. Got the It's Cold Out Here, Menace to Society joint. Innovate. Took me like 10 minutes to figure out what this joint meant right here. Or Inspiration is in the air, it damn sure is. Then we got that Rari. Word. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely rocking these with my yellow phones, boy. Yeah. And even if you got the Woo joints, you can still rock that. Hey, and then gotta give another shout out to my brother Marcus again, you know, for the jersey, man. Yeah, you know, appreciate it, yo. Hopefully, and maybe I might find a job on Indeed, but hey, boy.
Don't call me a boy, please.
This joint is white. You know what I say about white tees or anything white? A white tee is a white tee. Back up on the wall like some hot coffee, but anyway.
Turn up the bass.
Yeah, I'd like to thank everybody that's been rocking with me, man. Everybody that's made it possible for me to hit that 12. I like the fact that you guys like the content that I come out with. I know y'all already know I want to break it into the dirt. I never wanted to be just, oh my bad. I'm getting all nervous. You can tell I'm about to tell a lie or something. No, I always knew that I wouldn't be just a sneaker channel, because I don't really know everything there is to know about sneakers, and everything I don't care for, everything I don't cop. I wanted to just bring good quality content, and I feel that my editing, the activities that I do, I think that kind of makes up for what I don't cop, if you understand what I'm saying.
No!
Y'all been really rocking with me, and some of the comments that y'all hit me with.
Like what?
I don't know off the top, but anyway, yo, like I said, I am not copping these. Didn't cop them when they came out. I remember my homeboy copped them because it was this chick that we knew. She went, oh, shout out to Kim. Probably don't watch my joint anyway. She worked at like Foot Action or something, and she could get us to hook up on sneaks. I had got the royal blue Bo Jacksons. Remember I said that I wanted the orange and blue, but those weren't out no more. Then I got the white and royal blue Bo Jacksons. He bought them to my crib. Shout out to D. You remember that boy? Ooh. He bought me them joints to the crib, but anyway, he remembered that. Only 14-hour rock is probably like the Black Toes, for real. Let's see what's coming out next. I really don't know. Hopefully them Cactus joints re-release and I can get them joints, but I don't know, man. I don't really know what's coming out, man. I don't know. What the fuck have I been doing? Been vlogging too much, that's it.
Don't give me no bald-ass excuse for a lie like that.
If you like this vid, hit that like button for me. Do me that favor. If you made it this far, hit that like button. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down if you made it this far. But hit that like button for me. Please do that. It's very important that you hit that like button. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be... But that Snups.
Cancel that bitch.
It's your boy Wavy. You already noticed my channel, Mr. What Your Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.